and Hunter Sosenheimer. We're gonna give you a report in Fort Wayne, Indiana, about the snow. So this is my brother Kedrick. He is snowblowing, and this is like really bad out. You can see around the place. It's like really bad out when people are shoveling, and Fort Wayne Community Schools are canceled, and there's like a whole bunch of people around this place shoveling, even Kedrick. It's just really bad out here. We might get sick. We might get 4 inches of snow today, and it's just like really bad out here. But Kedrick doing all this stuff. I think it's a good. I think it's a good day for kids to be playing outside in the snowball fights. And there's like a whole bunch of people playing around, and you can see around the trees. And there's one tree branch that's broken, and it's just like really bad out here in Fort Wayne.
Outside.
And this is News Channel 15 with me and Hunter Sosenheimer. Thank you.